Hey, what's going on? I got a brand new video today. Today I got a jam-packed video, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because today I'm going to be talking about 6 jobs that make $1,000 every month. So make sure you're ready for this. Stay tuned. Grab a drink, grab a coffee, whatever it is, get comfortable because I want you to watch this video all the way to the end. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family because I always like to know where you're watching this video from and how far my videos are trending. And also, you can leave me any comments if you have any questions, feel free. I always like to reply back to you so that way I know that you're watching my video. So any comments in the comment section is always grateful because I like to interact with you. So make sure you join in. If you're looking for my #1 recommendation, I highly check out the first link in the description because I can just send you over my #1 recommendation where you can start to make money right away and you can start to bring in some passive income as well. So let's dive into things right away. So 6 jobs that make you $1,000 per month. So here's the first one. First one is care.com. So if you go on care.com, they're looking for caretakers. They're looking for caregivers. And if you know what that is, they're looking for people who can look after people. So you could start searching for free in your area. So whatever area it is, you could start to search. I want to be like if people need to get a caretaker, they will search here. If you want a care job, you just click on here and where you can find jobs. So there's babysitter, there's nanny, there's childcare center, in-home daycare, special needs, senior nursing, pet care, tutor, private lessons, housekeeping, errands, and all that type of stuff. So they're willing to pay, at least $1,000 a month. So this is like a side job. If you already have a job and you want to make some extra money, if you don't have a job, this will be perfect for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. All right. So this is really cool. This is like high-end Uber, high-end Lyft. If you're into driving and you're into transportation, so go to wings.me, wings.me, and they're like high-end. They're looking for a class. So the recommendation that they're looking for, it's more of like premium service, affordable. So you can make way more money. So instead of you on Uber back and forth, because I know a lot of people who do Uber because that is another side gig that you could do, but it gives you so much wear and tear in your car. So this is more high end. And some of the requirements that they're looking for, if you want to click on where it says get started, so you can click on the get started area and you could just fill this out. If you want to sign up to become a driver, just click on driver sign up. And then once you click on the driver sign up, become their favorite driver. So Wings is a peer-to-peer marketplace that connects passengers with their personal driver. So it gets more personal and payments and tips are processed by credit card. That's how they do it. Passengers can rebook their favorite driver. So if you have someone who have a great experience, if you have a good client that, flies to the airport all the time, or maybe an elderly person that you want to transport them and do regular stuff, go back and forth, this is a perfect way. So this is good because you're not like all day, every day, like going back and forth on Uber. So you receive higher fares and you just make way better money. So the requirements that they're looking for, you have to be at least 21 years and older, personal commercial driver's license, of course, you have to, auto insurance. So it has to be like a four-door vehicle, four-door vehicle. It has to be 5 years or more recent, has to be in excellent condition. You got to have a phone and you have to download the app. So they're going to do some background check on here, of course, just like anything. Make sure you ain't got no criminal records, motor vehicle record, all that type of stuff. So you can make $1,000 every single month and not have to work too hard, just like Uber. So that is another side hustle, side gig, side jobs that you can do. So the next website I'm going to show you, like 6 jobs that you can make $1,000 every month, is Shipt. So Shipt.com, we bring the store to you. So what you do, you get paid to shop. So you go out there, you shop for people, and then you would bring their groceries or bring whatever it is to their home. So this is a great job that you can do. You can earn $22 per hour. So the more you shop, the better you're gonna have. So you're gonna get people to sign up for it, and they're gonna recommend you people. And then once you sign up, you're gonna be ready to go. And it's $22 an hour. So let's say you do like 3 hours, you're looking at $66. If you got like a 3 hour shift that you can do, and you can make some money. You know, this you can make $1,000 every month just by doing this. So check it out, sign up, apply, and you can get started right away. And if you love shopping, you could get paid for something that you already love. So coming in at the number 4 spot is Rover.com. And Rover.com is like a sitter, but it's more for animals. So if you love pets, you like dogs, you like cats, this is a great place that you can sign up for. So these are some of the the dog size, an animal size, I should say, 0 to 15 pounds, 16 to 40 pounds. So sometimes you're gonna get, you know, some very small animals, and sometimes you're gonna get some big animals. So they want to make sure that they got to do the basic background check, of course, because they don't want to make sure that nobody take their animals. So you could sign up and you just click on the sign up area. And if you want to become a sitter, all you have to do is just come here, click on become a sitter, and right here, earn up to $1,000 per month. So get paid to play with animals. If you're an animal lover, you like animals, this is a great website that you can sign up for, and you can get started right away. So the next website that I'm going to share with you, coming in at number 5, is Contently.net. So Contently.net, and the delegate art of bidding of freelance. So it's all freelancing gigs, and once you come on here, the jobs that you can get, there's like writing jobs. So let me click on rates to calculate. So freelance rate. So let's say over here, you want to be a writer, and you want to be a writer for a business. Select the format, let's say digital, and you want to do 2,500 words. Show me the rate. It's going to show over here. So $1,772. That is like per article. So every time you submit, that's the rate. They have an asterisk on here, and please note that the estimate based on like various markets. So yeah, different markets has different things. So you could come on here and you can write. It's a great place that you can make money, and you could submit 1-2 jobs. You can even make way more than $1,000. It all depends. So you just search exactly what you're good at. If you're a writer, this is a place that you can come and you can get started right away. So the last website that I'm going to be talking about is Dolly.com. This is truck and muscle anytime you need. So it's more like Uber and Lyft, but instead of you transporting people, you're delivering and you're moving and you're helping people out. So people are moving, many small moves. There's retail store, labor only moves, Craigslist pickup. People buy stuff and they want to move, DIY. And they're like, hey, I need to move some things from point A to point B. So, of course, you got your truck, you load up, you save some, you make some money. How to book a dolly? They explain to you how it works. That's if you wanna book a dolly. But if you want to sign up to be a helper, click on the helper section. So become a dolly helper. Use your truck, trailer, or just hands to get some extra money. So if you just want to be a helper by using your hands, if you don't have like a pickup truck, you don't own your car and all that kind of stuff, as long as you can lift 75 pounds, you can apply. Application take within 5 to 10 days. You can hear from them. Same if you become a helper. So you make $30 if you got your own thing and $15 if you don't. So that's a great way how to make $1,000 every single month. Just do these jobs. So I hope you enjoy that video. Remember, don't forget to like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Looking for my #1 recommendation, check out the first link in the description. So if you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up. a thumbs up. Share this with people who you think it's going to benefit, and just share the word. Spread the love, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Andre. Peace.